In this video, I'll show you how to create a roadmap timeline in Jira. First, log into Jira and open the project you want to use. Next, select Plans or Roadmap from the project navigation, depending on your Jira setup. Now, create a new plan or open an existing roadmap. After that, add the issues, epics, or other work items you want to include in the timeline. Next, set the start dates and due dates for each item. Jira will display these items along the timeline so you can understand how the work is scheduled. Now, organize your work by adjusting the order and creating dependencies between related tasks when needed. After that, use the timeline controls to change the view and review your roadmap by week, month, or another available time period. Next, update the dates or dependencies whenever your project schedule changes. Finally, review the completed roadmap and share it with your team so everyone can follow the project timeline. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a roadmap timeline in Jira. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.